Oh, it just starts recording?
Yeah.
Whoa. Well, this is me insane. She's so cute. She's so cute. Alright, so what are we doing at Footscray today?
I felt really hungry and I'm gonna miss broken rice, but I'm also really constipated today, so I can't eat that much. So we're going to go to our favorite local spot, which is Tan Tan Bakery. No, Tan Tan Loy. Just gonna go enjoy some broken rice with you and Sunny.
And what are we gonna get after?
I want a durian cake because I had a dream about eating cakes, and you know that stuff really resonates with you when you're dreaming and you don't get to eat it in your dream because you wake up from accidentally kicking your cat off the bed. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Is the market open today?
Yeah, it's a weekday. Oh wait, Saturday. I don't know actually, I'll have to
I think
Google.
Saturday is open. I think the Sunday isn't open.
Tell me a little bit more about H&S Cakes.
H&S Cakes is actually a cake store that was introduced to me by Eva maybe in 2017, back in the days when she came over to Springvale to hang out with me, and she was like, oh my god, you guys have an H&S cake, like I have to go and get myself a durian cake. And I was like, what the hell is that? And we went and I bought myself one too because you just gotta trust Eva's recommendations, and I freaking loved it. And then I eventually took you to try H&S Cakes, and you also loved it because it's really stinky.
It's so good.
Yeah.
It's so good. So you like the durian cakes? Can you remember what my favorite one is?
Yeah, it's the Kaya coconut
Oh my
one.
god. It's like crack. This Kaya cook. I don't even like Kaya, but like with the combination of the pandan, and the cream and the jam, it is like it's dopamine in a cake.
And I think
Oh yeah.
the good thing is that they're not stingy on the fillings. They know exactly what a cake is supposed to be like. It's very packed, it's heavy with the fillings, but not too heavy. It's just the perfect amount of like, whoa, that's decadent. It's thick. Yeah, are you ready, Sunny? Are you ready? Are you ready to go on an adventure? Tee-hee. Look at her, she's so good. She's so calm. Alright, I'm gonna get my... Yep. Just seeing everybody. Just curious. Yep. Wait, my slippers. Hold on, I'm coming. You go out. What's that smell?
Packing for unemployment.
Alright, go on. You remind me of a snail. Yeah, just dump it. You hate it? Well, spit on it once you're done. Packing.
Yup. Never ending.
Oh god. Don't you just want to throw up a bit? Look at this. Something smells sour too, and I think it's from the vinegar. Hold that. Okay. Whoa. Oh shit. It's happening. The coronavirus 2.0. Oh god. Oh god. Somebody get the ivermectin.
Somebody get the ketamine.
So, I guess the word of advice is, if you want to leave your home country, just start packing like 5 months in advance. Don't leave it to the last 3 days, because this is what happens, and it's not very pretty. He's doing it. The madman's doing it. Let's see what hidden treasures is underneath the bed. That's the most important part.
There you go. There's a hidden treasure for you.
Oh yeah, that Jermaine got that to me.
Oh, be kind to your mind, babe. Remember that.
I love how there's just random bits and bobs of whatever the hell that is.
What I said, man, like, lived a disposable life in this apartment.
Plug it. Plug it, boy. Plug it.
Also because the joys and beauty of flat furniture.
Goodbye, bed. The second hall.
Look, I knew what I was going to get into. I knew it was going to be a slog. Oh, look at that.
Where we heading?
We are going to my share house in Braybrook. And we're going to deliver a bunch of stuff off. That's it. Well, we're going to pump petrol first.
Oh yeah,
Because right now we are running on fumes. I've never driven a car with this little fuel before.
It's a full tank. Not the fuel though. So this is the current condition of the living room. Jasper's going to take the sofa today, and then we also have our non-existent mattress now. We've got basically nothing in the closet. We've got the bathroom to clear out, all of this stuff to clear out. Nothing here anymore except for my luggage. And yeah, that's basically it. So it's a bit of a struggle. Hopefully we're gonna get it all done by today. Our last run now, and we're about to make it. Nah, this is the perfect moment because you're stressed, you have no will left to live, and you're furiously packing. So what's going on?
I'm just like really worried. I'm not worried, I guess. It's just like, it's a lot.
What's a lot?
Everything.
Everything's a lot?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Like,
Yeah?
just a lot of things to be done.
There is a lot of things to be done.
Okay, I think this must be...
Whoa! We got Zoomer over there, fucking wrecking havoc. Oh goodness, look at him. Oh! Zoomer! Zoomer's having a great time though. Are you sure?
Why are the spaces for you to come around?
Yeah, are you sure that it's a bad time? Because someone's having a great time.
We have this like desk of crap that just never fucking leaves. I don't even know anymore.
What's your stress level at right now?
I feel good.
You don't feel good? Yeah, do you feel like you're gonna throw up?
Yes.
It's 11th of March, it's 1:32. 11th of March, 1:32. As I have just mentioned, it's 11th of March and it's 1:30 a.m. and we're still packing. The reason why we're packing is because tomorrow my mom is coming over to clean. We need this entire thing to be just like gone. We're against the clock right now and we're staying up late. We don't care, we don't get it. I have 0 energy left, but I'm pushing through it. This is the second day that we've just been non-stop packing for 12 hours. 12 hours straight. Maybe like a little bit of break time for eating, but other than that, we've just been packing for 12 hours every single day. And today we got one set of movers to come and collect half of the appliances, 1.5 hours to my mom's place, and then we're gonna hit up Braybrook again. And hopefully that's going to be most of the stuff. This is what it looks like. We've done good. Got a couple boxes left. We got little kitty over here. She's been having a grand old time, just running about, having chill. It's 11th of March. We have tomorrow, and then we're leaving.
Today is our last full day.
Yep.
Very last full day. We're leaving tomorrow in the evening. Ooh,
At night.
It's happening.
Yep.
And then I woke up and then shot some stuff in a bathroom while your mom helped us with the end of these clean very nicely.
We're on 5 hours of sleep. Slept from 3 last night, and then we woke up at 9-ish today. So yeah, about 5 to 6 hours of sleep. And we're now heading to acupuncture. After acupuncture, we also have to go to Bunnings. But this is basically the final run. Our last boss is the bathroom. Still got everywhere. We're gonna also have like a spare couple of containers, so at least if we have that we've decided that we need to offload, and we can't pack it into the suitcase, we'll just leave it in that box. I think that's pretty much it.
Too focused to be stressed. Action based. Action, man. There's not much else. Things are tying together. It's still life admin, you know. I mean, like my tax return for 2024.
It's gonna be our last night with Sunny as well. I didn't know how annoying it was to transfer like your original mobile phone number to keep it when you're traveling overseas for a year, but also how do you receive like, you know, your texts and stuff. But I guess every mobile number does that. So we found the cheapest one, and that's Kogan. It's 119 or 120 gigabytes or something for over a year. And I guess that's the cheapest one we got. Just like picking bits and bobs up. Maybe I'll fix up my nail as well. That fell off. Tomorrow we're just gonna do the final clearings out of your place, and then we're gonna go along our merry way. So yeah, that's the plan. It's 8 o'clock. I'm here to enjoy some of this deliciousness.
So this is one of our favorite things to eat in Footscray and potentially ever. It's brought to us by H&S Cakes, and it is a coconut kaya pandan cake. It's delicious. It is delicious. The cream is pandan flavored, and it's got coconut kaya in it. Kaya's like Malaysian jam.
It's like I swallowed a cloud. I couldn't even compute. AS Cakes does the best cakes. This man, when I met him, I'm not a sweet tooth. I'm not a fan of desserts.
I also said I didn't smoke either.
Incredible. Absolutely incredible. We're on our last run. When we said there was a final bus, this was the final bus. It's all the bathroom shit. Once this is over, we're going to be
Free of this.
Tonight's the last night that we're gonna be here.
The very last night.
And then tomorrow we're off.
Yeah. And tomorrow we are leaving it all behind. Come what may, come what will. Yeah. I got a job offer today. It's with a school called English School in Takanaba, Japan. It's about an hour and a half or 2 hours out of Tokyo. It seems like a nice enough place. It's a small business. It's run by a lady, and she employs about 30 to 40 staff or something like that. A lot of the staff have been there for a very long time, 5-10 years plus, which speaks to help with the organization. Japanese work culture is kind of creeping me out though. I am wondering like how intense and how demanding the job's gonna be. And yeah, so I'm yet to make a decision, but it's a pretty good chance that I'll accept, but we'll see how we go. The location is better than anything else that we haven't even been offered, because can we bleep these names out as well?
Yeah.
Probably should bleep these names out. But yeah, and haven't presented me with anything except for maybe, and we can't guarantee anything. Whereas this place, 2 interviews and boom, contract, so at least I know they want me on their team.
Seems promising.
Seems promising,
Yeah. Don't need to struggle and don't need to stress, because eventually something comes anyways.
Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, hi. Hello.
I can't believe we're leaving.
Our most prized possession
Yeah.
was a cat that we found on the 2nd of January.
And then now here we are. Not even 3 months later. And we've grown so attached.
She's been the best cat.
She's like, ew, protest meow. Everybody loves her, so. it's
Everyone loves her, particularly us.
Yes. Oh. Guess it ain't that. Oh. Oh, she wants more.
Oh, now she's ready.
Oh god, she got it. She's eating it right now. Gross, Sonny. Ugh. Gross. It's our last day in Melbourne.
Holy crap, we're leaving. Holy crap, we're leaving. Oh, yes.
It's our last day in Melbourne.
Last day in Melbourne. Holy it's true.
Protest meow. Spoiled. She doesn't even, well, just before she wasn't even standing. She was just lying down and eating like a slob. First is probably the constant chewing, the constant bite marks that this cat leaves behind.
it's so endearing.
Yeah.
It's also just television.
Yeah. This.
Oh, they're 5 bucks.
Decorate gum. Hey, you slid it out of a jumper. Actually, I'll just write Jeremy. Should we do it in 3s?
Yeah.
And then put it over. Should we back in the seat? And the pillar. These zippers are going to be very real life edition.
It's me and Sunny's last day together. Friends on some little Petey Pete's. Just cut them as well, so that she can't scratch. Oh, the joys of motherhood. She's also safely secured. Don't want to have any mishaps. She's so spooked. She's like, what is going on? Why is this place empty now? This is it. We did it. We finally did it. Gosh, don't you remember when this place was a dump?
2 days ago.
Whoa, so much space. So empty. The car is also filled to the brim. Sonny's not impressed. I mean, neither am I really. How much junk do we have? You know what I mean?